Before we start the design, the first thing we should confirm is that what should be the dimension of our design. Let's say we want to design a Facebook cover image. Here, the first thing is we need to know what the length and width of the Facebook cover image are. So how to determine the dimensions of your next design content? You can confirm it in two ways. First, I am in the Google and searching Facebook cover image size 2026 and searching here, and you will get the information that the Facebook cover image size is 820 by 312 pixel, and you can get other informations here. Just browse this website and check or confirm your design size. So now confirm Facebook cover image size or dimension. So it's 820 by 360. So this is very easy to know what is the dimension of your target design size. And now I want to share the second method. I have already downloaded a YouTube thumbnail here, and this is the thumbnail. First, you can download any of the sample you want to design, and then just right click it and click the show more options, and then click the properties, and now click the details. So here you see the dimension is here 1376 by 768. So it's very simple to know what is the dimension of your target content you want to design. Don't skip the pinned comment and description. I've pinned some must visit tools and resources there. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and join my growing community. Let's fix the internet together, one video at a time.